We make birdseed, bird treats, suet treats, and oat flour products for pet food. My name's Ed. I'm a level 2 millwright apprentice, and I work for Armstrong Milling. My job here is to be part of the maintenance team. I like being called upon to figure out, diagnose something. To be a good millwright, you definitely got to be able to have an open mind, good skill set to look at something and figure out how it works, and not be afraid to get your hands dirty, jump right in, both feet. Being part of a millwright, you got a lot of physics for the electrical side, a ton of math, trigonometry, so you definitely want to be good at and like math. There's problem solving, I think it's a big part of the job. You're called to a job, you got to figure out what's going on to get that line up and running.
At Elite Manufacturing, we produce chiropractic tables for distributors as well as personal to doctors. My name is Kevin, and I'm the parts manager for Elite Manufacturing. We're the leading chiropractic manufacturer in Canada. Really important skills to have within this company are definitely mathematics skills, people skills, being able to work with others. A high school diploma is going to really help you out. We're based out of Haldimand County, and our products ship worldwide from Australia to Dubai to Germany to the southern states. My favorite part about working in manufacturing is seeing something go from a raw material to a beautiful table, and then seeing the smile on someone's face once they purchased it.
We produce bed slides and locker systems to go into the back of pickup trucks and other vehicles. I'm Joey, and I'm a supervisor at Cargo East. We've won awards for Most Innovative Product and Product of the Year before. As a supervisor, I oversee all of the production, and I do a lot of ordering and organizing. I actually started here as a parts guy, and within about 6 months of me being here, I was able to learn all of the positions, so it made me an easy candidate for promotion. In a factory setting, as long as you're willing to put in some hard work and some dedication to the company, there's almost always room to grow. We will show people how to do different skills. Like if someone's interested in welding, I will take time to teach them and help them learn how to do skills like that. We do slides for Department of Defense, we do slides, we're doing one right now for NASA, and we do lots of police, fire department, and as well as custom stuff. The ability to be able to create a drawing and create it on the water jet, cut it out, weld it all up, and look at your finished product at the end, it's just a great feeling to be able to see what you've all accomplished.
I think the first thing is to take the first step, to get to know it, see what you like.
I like the fast pace, there's always lots to do, and the ability to be working as a team and to problem solve.
You're working in here every day, but the job every day is not the same.